Let's find the greatest common factor for 12 and 20. 1 times 12. 2, it works because that's an even number. 2 times 6. 3, if we add the digits, 1 plus 2 is 3, so 3 is a factor. 3 times 4. We've overlapped. So that's all the factors for 12. 20 factors. 1 times 20. 2 times 10. 3, we'll have to add the digits. Well, that's just 2, so 3 is not going to work into that one. 4 works. 4 times 5. Here are our factors for 12 and 20. Our common factors are 1, 2, they share 2, they share the 4, and that's all they share. So the greatest common factor for 12 and 20 is 4, which means if you had a fraction 12/20ths, you could reduce this to simplest forms the quickest way by using a 4. In one step, you could do it. 4 divides into 12 3 times. 4 divides into 20 5 times. So 12/20ths is the same as saying 3/5. The divisibility rules can be used in math in a lot of different ways to get your answer quickly and accurately.